Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to open Google Sheets in Chrome in 2023. If you're new to Google Sheets or maybe you just want a refresher on the quickest way to get started, you're absolutely in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to launch a fresh Google Sheet in just a few clicks, whether you need it for work, school, or just organizing your home projects. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Chrome browser. I know that might sound obvious, but sometimes we all have a few different browsers on our computers, maybe Edge, Firefox, or Safari. But for this tutorial, make sure you're using Chrome. The experience is just a bit smoother, and all of Google's apps are really optimized for Chrome. Once your browser's open, head up to the search bar right at the top. This is where you can type in anything you want to look up. For our purposes, let's just search for Google. Even if your homepage automatically loads Google, searching it ensures you're starting from the standard homepage and nothing gets lost if you have lots of tabs open. Now with Google's homepage on your screen, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see a small grid, 9 little dots arranged in a square. This is sometimes called the Google Apps menu, and it's like your personal gateway to all of Google's services from Gmail to Drive and of course Google Sheets. Go ahead and give that grid icon a click. When the menu opens up, you'll see a bunch of colorful icons. This is where you can access things like YouTube, Maps, and Calendar. Scroll down a bit or take a second to scan through these options. What you're looking for is the green icon labeled Sheets. Sometimes, if you haven't used it recently, it might be hidden lower down, so don't worry if you have to scroll for a moment. When you spot it, just click on Google Sheets. Great job, now you're on the Google Sheets main page. Here you're going to see a couple of options, and I want to briefly explain each one. Across the top, you'll notice something called the template gallery. This is super handy if you already know you want to use a budget planner, a schedule, or even a to-do list template. Google's got these all ready for you, so you don't have to build them from scratch. Feel free to browse through those if you're feeling inspired or if time is tight and you want a head start. But if you want to create a brand new spreadsheet, maybe for a unique project or just to start totally fresh, look for the big blank box, usually marked with a plus sign on a white background. Click that and instantly a fresh, empty spreadsheet will open right in your browser, waiting for you to start typing. And that's it, you're now ready to start working in Google Sheets. It's honestly as simple as that, but knowing exactly where to click the first time is always half the battle. Don't worry if you needed to pause or rewind, that's totally normal when you're learning something new. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, it really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions about using Google Sheets or you run into something unexpected, drop a comment below. I love helping out and try to respond to as many as I can. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and good luck with your spreadsheet.